What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Baby Dogecoin here today. As you can see, we are up here on another uptrend here with Baby Doge, and we're actually staying away from the 1260 support. So we're gonna be going over some technicals and some fundamentals for Baby Doge. But anyways, hit that like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. It'll be greatly appreciated. Now, let's go over Baby Doge. So the first thing I want to talk about here with Baby Doge, you can see the 24-hour market control is actually in control by the bulls by 80%. So it's showing that we're 80% bullish right now for the last 24 hours. Now, we are getting rejected here at the supply and demand area. So I always say this, the red area is pretty much our supply and demand showing less demand. And then whenever we have a green shaded area, like the one way back here, it shows more demand. So right now we don't have any green shaded areas of more demand. So there's not too much demand for Baby Doge right now at this level. So we still do have, the overall crypto market still kind of trying to do some recovery. So remember, we're following Bitcoin and all that good stuff. But yeah, we're doing some good recoveries here. We definitely don't want to go below this support here, but I'm going to go over some more technicals later on in the video, so stay tuned. But I definitely want to get over the fundamental stuff right now. So we're going to come right back to these technicals and talk about what we could possibly do. Now, over here, you can see Baby Doge right here, down only 0.5% in the last 24 hours. Not too bad, but we are seeing a lot of the other cryptos are actually doing some recovery for the last 24 hours. And some of them are doing, like the negative 2.3% of Ethereum, negative 1.5% of Bitcoin for the last 24 hours. But we do have other things recovering, like Shiba Inu doing some recovery, Polygon, Doge with a little bit of recovery, Polkadot, and all that good stuff. Now let's go over the Baby Doge holders. As you can see, we have 1,057,306 holders now in Baby Dogecoin. That's a lot of hodlers out there. So shout out to the whole Baby Doge army. Now let's get down with the fundamentals. So let's talk about this. So today we just crossed 600,000 followers on Twitter. So yeah, now Baby Doge finally passed 600,000 followers. We're at 604,000. But yeah, this is a really big stuff for us. This is definitely really good that Baby Doge is building this strong foundation and that we're also building a strong social media presence. So that is what this is all about. Now moving on to the next thing. So not one, not two or three, but 9 smart contracts went to CerTic for audit last week. That is huge right there. 9 went to CerTic for audit. So that's pretty big right there. And you just got to think about it right now. Like we're almost getting to the nitty gritty of all of this stuff over here. So we got the Doge, the Baby Doge wallet coming out, the Baby Doge virtual and physical debit cards, the Baby Doge exchange, the Baby Doge arcade, Baby Doge NFT marketplace, the NFT collection. So all that stuff has got to be audited. But anyways, that's pretty big right there. So all those smart contracts that went to CerTic for audit last week. Now, this is pretty much, I feel like this is a little hint that Baby Doge is giving out there. They're giving the people a hint. They're just like, look, there's 9 pretty much smart contracts that went out there for the audit. So it could be anything. It could be other cryptos, or they could also be talking about the palm app. They could be talking about the wallet. They could be talking about the debit cards. They could be talking about the exchange, the arcade, the NFT marketplace, the NFT collection. They could be talking about all of those, or they could also be talking about other coins that just now went onto an audit. So that was just a little bit of a hint right there. They kind of gave a little bit of a subliminal right there. So this could be anything. I mean, all you got to do is sit and wait, and then we'll finally see. Because sometime inside January, we're supposed to be getting the news for our wallet, our exchange, and our debit cards. So we may actually see something like that happen very soon. But anyways, moving on from this, the next thing I want to talk about is this. So this was actually a retweet directly from Baby Doge. So if you go over to the Baby Doge official Twitter and you scroll down a little bit, you'll see this is an official retweet from Baby Doge. So it says sheep token whales are coming to bag some Baby Dogecoin. And if you are celebrating your festive season, try it and bag Baby Doge. So pretty much this person is saying that Shiba Inu whales are about to start buying huge amounts of Baby Doge. Now, I don't know how legit this is because this is coming from someone inside the Baby Doge army. It's not really coming from mods. It's not coming from someone who owns Shiba Inu, like actually like someone who's like an admin or something in Shiba Inu. It's not coming from anyone like that. It's just coming from someone directly inside the Baby Dogecoin army. But still, this could be something that possibly happens. I mean, when you look at upside potential, Baby Doge definitely has more upside potential than Sheep. Like, I like Shiba Inu a lot, but let's be completely honest here. Shiba Inu right now has like 22 billion market cap. So, well, 19 billion market cap. So, in order for Sheep to like 100x, it would have had to be like getting up to a trillion something market cap, like Bitcoin. And actually, it had to be more than that just to get 100x. Now, for Baby Doge, you got to think about it. Baby Doge only has a $254 million market cap. So, if you do the math there, 254 million, like how many X do we have to go up to get to like where Sheeb is at now? So Sheeb is at what, 19 billion? So you could just take that 19 billion that Sheeb is at and you can divide it by the 254 million that Baby Doge is at. So it would be a 74x for us to go from where we're at now to where Shiba Inu is at now. So to go from a total of $254 million market cap to a $74 million market cap, that would constitute a 74x right there, a literal 74x. Shiba Inu can't do that. Now, Shiba Inu can definitely continue to rise, but Shiba Inu isn't going to do it like Baby Doge. Shiba Inu just can't do it. It's already at a $19 million market cap. So if you think about it, in order for Shiba Inu to get up to even a 5x, in order for Shiba Inu to 5x from here, it has to get to a $100 billion market cap. Like, you got to think about how ridiculous that is. It's possible that it will get to a $100 billion market cap eventually. Remember, Dogecoin hit 90 billion when we had the whole pump for Saturday Night Live and Doge Day 420, but it was short-lived. But still, that would still only constitute a 5x from where Shiba Inu is at now to 100 billion market cap. But see, now when you look at it even further, let's just take, and we're doing not the fully diluted market cap. We're just talking about the regular market cap, not fully diluted. So let's take 100 billion, right? So let's just take 100 billion, and then you divide that by our current market cap of $254 million, and then boom, you get 393. So that's a 393x from where we're at. And that's without burns. That's without even thinking about burns. So even with burns, it would be even higher. It would be even more. It'd probably be more like 500x with the burns. So we have way more potential than Shiba Inu. I like Shiba Inu. Don't get me wrong. Shout out to the Shiba Army too. But Baby Doge has more upside potential. And the math shows that clearly. But anyways, let's go over some other stuff here. So let's talk about Baby Doge in our target price for next year. So our target price for next year is right here, 000001. I'm still going to stick with that by the end of next year, by the end of December of next year, 000001. 5 zeros and a 1 by the end of next year. We're going to get that and we're going to reach it very soon. Now, like I said, we're going to be going over some technicals. So we actually got an article written for us by Benzinga. So let's go over it. So first of all, they kind of went over the whole partnership that we have coming up right now with $150,000 that we already donated in the whole partnership. And actually, something really cool about the partnership, every time you go to CoinGecko, you see them at the front. Like, you see them right here, ASPCA. They're doing a lot of promo on CoinGecko. And then over here, ASPCA. So yeah, they're doing big promos on here. And if you click there, it'll bring you to their official donation site. So you can donate to them if you want to help out the dogs, or you could just buy Baby Dogecoin, and that'll also help out because some of the money is also going to them. So anyways, let's move on to the next thing, and that is going to be the technicals that Benzinga went over. So over here, you can see as of the most of the crypto market, everything's been slumped down, and Baby Doge has not been exempt from that. So they're saying Baby Dogecoin is significantly down, blah, 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 from its all-time high. But what we really want to look at here is the key levels that they're talking about of support. So if you go over here and look at the Baby Dogecoin chart, you could definitely see that we did have some good support. We did not want to break down, and we did not want to get down to the 1260 support. But instead of getting down to the 1260 support, we got down to the one that they mentioned here. So they said over here, there are signs that that Baby Dogecoin may have hit its bottom, as long as it can hold above a key support level of 00, or I'm not even gonna say all the zeros, 8 zeros and then 1300. So if it can stay above the 1300 area, then they're saying that we could continue onto a bullish rally. Right now we're at 1492. So it's definitely showing that we are bullish because we are above that area. And as we stayed above it, you can see the second we stayed above it, we started to go on this uptrend here. So Baby Doge definitely has the potential to continue to rise. Now over here you can see the Baby Dogecoin chart may have found a bottom at the key level. That's what we're talking about with the support. So over here you can see the curl may eventually create a rounded bottom pattern, which can indicate the bottom is in the crypto will begin to slowly climb. So they're saying that the bottom is here. They're saying that we've hit the bottom and that we could possibly slowly climb here with Baby Doge. But you got to remember, if Baby Doge hit its bottom, then Bitcoin also hit its bottom. And if Bitcoin didn't hit its bottom yet, then Baby Dogecoin did not hit its bottom yet. So you got to think about it like that. Now it says bullish traders will want to watch for the crypto to regain the 8-day exponential moving average, which would help to guide Baby Doge higher. So over here, they're still talking about the 1300 level, about us consolidating here. So they said since December 10th, Baby Doge has been consolidating sideways between the 1300 level and an upper resistance level at 1623, mostly lower than average volume. And we have had low volume. Yesterday was like 2.4 million. Today is about 3.6 million in volume, but we need more than both of those in order to become bullish here. And they said over here, eventually either a big bullish volume or a bearish volume will come into crypto and break down pretty much all the cryptos and break down the pattern sideways. So Baby Doge is trading below the 8-day and 21-day exponential moving averages, with the 8-day EMA trading below the 21-day, both of which are bearish indicators. So they're saying there are bearish indicators for our Baby Doge right now. So bulls want to see big bullish volume pop Baby Doge up over the 8-day EMA and then continuing momentum to push it up above the 1623 level. So right now Baby Doge is at 149, pretty much 1491, and the 163 level actually starts here where our supply and demand of less demand starts. So that's going to be a huge area for us to try to break. It's resistance and there's way less demand there. So it's going to be hard for us to break out there. But if we do that, it says over here above the area, there is further resistance at 1869 and 2185. So once we break that 1623 area, we're going to have to eventually break 1869 and 2185 because those are our resistance for those areas. So we definitely have a lot of resistance to break out here. We have a lot of levels to break. And once we break this Fibonacci retracement level up here at 2100, which is equivalent to this 2185 that they're talking about here, then we'll continue that know that we're actually going on a bullish rally. So that is what will bring the bullish rally. Now, there could be a downside to this. So we could go on the downtrend as well. You got to think about that as well. So they said if the bears win this whole trading volume, the bears would want to see bearish volume coming in and drop Baby Dogecoin pretty much below the key support level that we're talking about of the 1-2 area, around somewhere around there. So over here, you can see bears want to see big bearish volume, and below the level, there is further support at 1042. And if we break that, we will add on a 0 and go down to 7601. Now, I have been talking about Baby Doge adding on another 0 for like the past week if the whole crypto market continues to go down. So if the overall crypto market continues in a downtrend, then you will see Baby Doge add another 0. But hopefully, the overall crypto market doesn't add another doesn't continue to go on a downtrend. I mean, Bitcoin has recovered to the 48K, so hopefully everything else can recover as well, so then we can stay above the odds. But yeah, anyways, this is another technical, and they pretty much got the same points of views as the other ones. So the 1-4 area is where they said the support was. I say it's around 1260, and they say around 1-4, but it's somewhere around there, and that's what other people are seeing. But hey, I do the technical analysis. I say 1260 is support because we had major support way back here with 1260. So anyways, let's talk about the next day with Baby Doge. Now, we got $60,000 burned inside of Baby Doge. $60,000 burned today. That's pretty big. So about 2,540 new holders. And like I said before, look at this support right here. We had major support inside Baby Dogecoin back here, and we did not want to go below the 1260. So the more people come into Baby Doge, the more likely it will for us to not go down to the 1260. And we keep getting a lot of new people in Baby Doge. So Hopefully those people keep coming in, but like I said, anything can happen. Crypto is like the wild west. But yeah, we burned $60,000, which was a lot of baby Doge, about 44 trillion baby Doge. Big stuff going on right there. But yeah, anyways, this is all I got for you all today. I just wanted to go over some fundamentals and technicals with baby Doge and let you all know exactly what's coming up next and what I think is about to happen next. Remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.